In this video, I will show you how to hide and unhide tabs in Google Sheets. So let's see how to do it in this video. When we have a lot of sheets as tabs in Google Sheet, it will be hard to keep searching for the specific sheets we are working on. It's always better to hide the sheets we are not working on to remove confusion and complete work sooner. In this Google Sheet document, I have 3 sheets, which is represented by these tabs below. YouTube Video Guide, Finance Data, and Google Charts. Let me show you how to hide a sheet with this Finance Data tab. We need to click the arrow beside the Finance Data tab and select Hide Sheet. And the sheet is hidden, we have only 2 sheets. To unhide the sheet, I need to click the View tab in the top bar. Next, we need to select the hidden sheets from the menu. And next, we need to select the tab we have hidden. Similarly, we can unhide a sheet that has been hidden by clicking the menu icon on the left side of the tabs and selecting the sheet that we have hidden. And we are done with this Google Sheet video. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.